Today we're unboxing something bigger than usual. Stay tuned. So finally, just before Christmas, the iSteady Gimbal 3-axis Gimbal Stabilizer that I ordered finally arrived just a few days before Christmas, and here it is. Apparently, this is 13,545 Philippine pesos, which I bought online on Lazada, but I'm pretty sure it's available on Amazon too. Anyway, this is the iSteady Gear 3-axis handheld gimbal stabilizer, which works for both DSLRs and mobile phones. So enough talking, and let's begin unboxing this beautiful piece of technology. Let me get my... There we go. Start unboxing this. There's the beautiful baby. Right there. The iSteady Gimbal Stabilizer 3-axis. This thing's huge. This is so beautiful. Anyway, let's begin unboxing this beautiful baby. Okay, where to begin? Okay, there we go, right there. Oh yeah, actually before we unbox this, let's check what's on the back. 320 indicator slide, joystick, multifunctional buttons, 640 degrees. Yeah, those usual stuff. App integrations through built-in Bluetooth. Okay, yeah, okay, now let's actually unbox this. I'm excited. I can finally get super stabilized footage. Oops, there's this tab here. Let me actually cut that right here. This is beautiful. It looks so high quality. Okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, put that right here. Oh, that's beautiful. It has its own casing right there. That is beautiful. Okay, okay, okay. Here we go. Oops, something else fell. That is just the strap. Okay. Now here's the actual kit, which is why it's so heavy. This is how heavy. I mean, it's not that heavy, but it's still pretty big deal. Now let's actually open this kit. How do I open this? Oh, it's this is over. Okay. Right. Here we go. And that is gorgeous. Here's the gear, and this is how it looks like so far. Here is the back, and here is the beautiful stabilizer. And also, let's start with the manual first, of course. Okay. It's actually just all the regular stuff. Camera mounting. Okay. Okay, let's get that out of the side. And, okay, so this, I believe this is its stand. It's, in case you want to use it as a tripod. Yeah. Let's put that on the side. Then this is its battery charger with its 2 included batteries. That's great. Okay. Then it's remote control in case I want to, of course, control it, obviously. Then this is the handle right there for the grip. Of course, all of this other stuff. Okay, the actual unit. Right there. This is gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. It's a 3-axis gimbal, obviously. Okay, so I believe you connect this to here. No, I'm not reading the manual. Yeah, we need that manual again. Inside here. So we have to open this. Yeah, it's the rechargeable battery. Okay. Do we need scissors? I believe so. Doesn't say how, so I believe it's just like that. Okay. Connect it here. Now, how do I turn this on? I believe. Whoa, whoa. Oh, it's partially on, I think. Okay. Let's actually put this on my DSLR and use my iPhone 10 to record. Let's do this. So I apparently screwed it wrong. It's supposed to be right here. right there. That piece is supposed to be right there. So you could, it's supposed to be right there for the lens. Anyway. Okay, so it should be like that. Then we're gonna attach it right here. Okay, so after a few minutes of actually tweaking it, I finally got it to work. And this is how it looks right now. Let me actually focus on that. There we go. So this is the stabilized footage. You can see on the camera right there. No matter how much I shake it, it's just gonna stay right there. I mean, of course, it's not exactly focused properly. But, okay, this is heavy. But it works fine. And since it has a remote control, I could actually do this. Watch this. And there we go. I'm actually taking a, whatchamacallit this? Okay, it's not exactly focused on me. It would work better, of course, with Bluetooth. Hold on. Let me actually, how do I, okay. This is working nice, I guess. But anyway, there's the footage right there. And when you hit off, of course it's going to drop. Watch this. So you're gonna hit off, then it's dead. Anyways, of course I didn't really do much because it was actually tiring. But let's head back to the other angle. Okay, so I decided that it would be easier to actually shoot on the gimbal instead. Here's footage of me on the iPhone 10 right now on the side. But anyways, the unboxing video, my thoughts on it. Honestly, I didn't really expect that it would be rather difficult to set up. I mean, of course, I'm new to it, so it would be kind of difficult and overwhelming for me. But honestly, I expected something, a rather much more easier setup process. Honestly, it took me a few minutes. Rather, it took me around 10 to 15 minutes to actually set it up since I wasn't exactly aware of how it would be set. Okay, whoops. Okay, this is turning around a bit. Let me fix this. Wait, I don't even know how to. Okay, I need to get used to this. I'm not very aware of how this works. I just got used to DJI's gimbals compared to iSteady Gear's gimbals. This one, again, this is 13,545 Philippine pesos. So you can convert that to USD on your own. And honestly, since I haven't used it much yet, I think for a full review, I guess I could work on it after a week. But for now, my first thoughts, first impressions, it's great. It's very stable right now, if you notice. Right, I could shake this all the way. It's really stable, although I'm not exactly used to it, so right now it could be kind of shaky. Even though it's a stabilizer, I'm not used to it. That's one thing I have to admit. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video, and it would be great if you could follow me on Facebook, SoundCloud, and Twitter, as well as subscribing to both my channels on YouTube. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.